Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into a powerhouse that every pet owner needs, the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off Vacuum Cleaner, Model 39883. If you're constantly battling pet hair, dander, and allergens around your home, this vacuum might just be your new best friend. Let's find out why it's one of the top-rated pet vacuums of 2025. Right out of the box, you'll notice BISSELL's signature lift-off design, which gives you two vacuums in one, a full upright for deep cleaning floors and a detachable canister for portable cleaning around stairs, furniture, car interiors, and pet beds. This flexibility makes it a complete home cleaning system, especially for homes with pets. Under the hood, it's powered by advanced multi-cyclonic suction technology, ensuring powerful and consistent suction that doesn't fade over time. Whether you're vacuuming carpet, hardwood, or tile, this thing grabs everything, from embedded pet hair to microscopic dust particles, leaving nothing behind. Now let's talk about the Tangle-Free Brush Roll, one of BISSELL's smartest innovations. If you've ever had to cut tangled hair off a brush roll, you know the struggle. This one prevents that mess entirely, no more wrapping, no more clogs. It's built to handle thick pet hair effortlessly. All that dirt and debris is trapped efficiently by the HEPA Sealed Allergen System, capturing 99.97% of dust, dander, and allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or homes with shedding pets. Combined with the SmartSeal Allergen System, it ensures cleaner air as you clean your floors. The lift-off canister makes it easy to reach under furniture, along stairs, or even into the car. And with specialized pet tools like the Pet TurboEraser Tool and crevice attachments, it's ready for every surface and every corner. BISSELL didn't forget about convenience. The easy empty dirt tank, washable filter, and LED lights on the floor head make maintenance and cleaning easier than ever. The swivel steering also provides smooth maneuverability around tight spaces. If you're looking for a high-performance, pet-focused vacuum that truly handles allergens and pet messes while staying tangle-free, the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Allergen Lift-Off 39883 is a must-have. It's efficient, durable, and engineered for real-life homes, especially those with furry friends. Check out the link below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech and home gear reviews, only on Gadgetverse.